Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. We are getting out of here today and we're heading down to Road Race to catch up with Mad Boost Mark and see what he's got going on with Bell Nova, our resident Chevrolet dragster.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Road Racing Shop. We are back in the shop today with Bell Nova, everyone's favorite domestic. Last time we went out with this car, things didn't go as well as I had hoped. Whoa. Put it in the guardrail. Scratch, kind of non-existent, buffed it out and patched paint. It looks great. Car's running great, but it's time to do a little bit of upgrading to it. And today the upgrading starts with a Motion RaceWorks steering column. Should have a nice tight feeling steering, and it's just lightweight, gonna help us out losing weight, which is another part of this process. I wanna try to take a little more weight out of the car. Hey, ain't nothing to do but to quit talking about it and be about it. I'm gonna start under the hood. Gonna get this intake pipe off, and then we're gonna get that bolt out of holding the steering column to the steering rack. This thing is tight. All the bolts out. I'm gonna try to snatch this thing out real quick. It should come out in theory. I think I've got all the bolts out, so we'll see.
It's loose. That's a lot of dirt, bro.
This thing's heavy. Oh, wait there. Holy shit.
I don't care.
Give me. There you go. The whole thing out. This thing is quite heavy, y'all. We'll weigh the difference to see what it is, just to show y'all how much weight we'll be saving. Woo! We got it out. Call that 20 pounds, 21 pounds. So that's 21 pounds with steering wheel. Let me grab steering wheel and the hub real quick. Let me grab this and this. And this, and we'll put that, and then Dad's gonna try to center that up on there. 8, 9, what's that, 10 pounds max? We just cut the steering column in half, lost 10 pounds. I'm gonna clean the firewall up a little bit, maybe throw a little bit of black paint right there in that area just so it's clean right there in that spot. Maybe some rust prevention, I don't know. Let's get this thing installed, slide it in, get these bolts set, then we'll get this set in right here. Got those 2 screws set in. Gonna now move to the front under the hood and try our best to get that lined up, make sure it looks good before we set anything tight. Thing hung back in there. column installed. I love it. I love it. That is a very lightweight, very nice steering column. Luckily, I had a really nice Sparco steering wheel that's still in good shape to bolt on to that Motion RaceWorks quick disconnect hub that I love for getting in and out of that car. It was a pretty straightforward install. Pretty easy. Few bolts, take it out, pull it out, drop this lightweight column in. Steering wheel installed. I love it. Love that Sparco wheel. Suede top. Feels nice, older, but still feels good. We're done. Motion RaceWorks made a great part. USA made. The only last thing to do, I guess, is to put that Motion RaceWorks sticker on this car. Thank y'all for coming to the shop. Always a pleasure having y'all in here. Race season is upon us. We're doing what we can with spare parts. It's going great with that car. Bell Nova will be back at the track soon. Till then, guys, thank y'all for coming by.
Well, man, that thing looks good in there, and hopefully now Mark can keep it between the guardrails on the next. Thanks for hanging out with us on this one, guys. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that, man. Leave a comment, hit the little like button, help this channel grow, man. We want to keep going with this thing. That's a wrap for this one, and we will see you on the next one, guys. But until then,
stay mad.
Last time you saw me out, the scanner's on. Let's go, since we're doing this intro. My dad's scanner. Oh shit, kicking shit. Cut that dude down for now, kick that. Let's try this again.
with Mark.
Everyone's favorite domestic.
To catch up.
Put it in the guardrail. That's gonna be, should be a nice, oh, blah, blah.
Shit.
Good. Excuse me, messed up.
I can keep it between the guardrails on the next.
Got the door open, sorry. It's nice outside. Austin Cam is in action.
Yeah. That's a lot of dirt, bro.
You have me in the camera, buddy?
Bro,
Back up.
I
Back up.
literally do.
Got you. Good job, buddy.
You want me to stop it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got bored after that. I'm filming. That's, oh God. Video, I don't want to say that. Have a nice tight feeling. I love it. With the proper, it connects very easily. Shit. Pull out, basically. Well, actually, I'm sorry. I'm gonna start again. I keep. Oh, dirty camera.